Have you ever walked away from a conversation with a girl thinking, damn, I blew it, she probably thinks I'm weird now? Or that one moment where you knew she was into you but your brain just blanked out, and you stood there like an NPC while the chance faded away? Yeah, I've been there too, and trust me, it sucks. I was 22, just chilling in a park, sipping a cold coffee, scrolling mindlessly, and then she walked past. Wavy hair, denim jacket, that kind of smile that makes time slow down. She looked at my shirt and said, "That's a cool design, what does it mean?" And what did I do? It's just, it's, cool, that's it. That was my Oscar-worthy line. She chuckled politely and walked off. And in my head I was like, bro, did you seriously just fumble that? That's the moment I promised myself, I'm done being the guy who freezes. I'm going to learn how to own the moment. Smooth, playful, confident. And today, I'm going to help you do the same. Let's clear this up. Flirting is not about impressing her with your resume. It's not about looking rich, ripped, or reciting pickup lines that sound like they came from a bad rom-com. Flirting is about energy. It's about making the moment feel light, fun, and unforgettable. For both of you. Think of it like a dance. You lead a little, she follows, then she leads a bit. You match her vibe. It's play, it's tension, it's fun. Here's the ironic part. The harder you try to be cool, the less cool you seem. Real charm? It's relaxed, it's imperfect. It's when you're not scared to be a little goofy. Imagine two guys at a party. One's bragging about his crypto gains. The other looks at a girl and says with a grin, "Just a heads up, I'm the only guy here who doesn't know how to dance. But I will try." No promises though. Who do you think she's more curious about? Exactly. The second guy, because he feels real. Confidence isn't about being loud. It's about being centered. It's the difference between saying, "I hope she likes me," versus "I like me, and I'd love to get to know her." Next time you talk to someone, even the barista at your coffee shop, don't shrink yourself. Look them in the eye. Speak slowly. Be present. Your vibe tells the story before your words ever do. Don't say, "You're hot, let's go out." That's blunt, predictable, and honestly, it kinda screams desperation. Say something like, "You've got a dangerously good taste in music. That playlist might get me in trouble." It's playful, suggestive, and yeah, it leaves room for imagination. Subtle beats obvious every time. She might tease you or throw sarcastic jabs like, "Do you say that to every girl?" Most guys panic. You smile and say, "Only the ones who look like trouble," and guess what, you're already on the list. Or she says, "Buy me a drink." You lean in and say, "Sure. But if I do, I expect a dramatic Oscar-level thank you speech." Turn her tests into playful moments. That's the game. Flirting without teasing is like a song without a beat. Let's say she's drinking a fancy cocktail. You say, "Wow, look at you, Miss Classy with the glitter straw. Don't tell me you also judge people's coffee orders." She laughs. "That's it, you're in." Teasing isn't mean, it's a wink, not a slap. It shows comfort, confidence, and charisma. Most guys treat girls like the prize. But here's the twist, you are the prize too. If she says, "I love yoga," you smirk and say, "Ah, so that's your secret plan to make me fall for you." Bendy, mysterious, and zen. Dangerous combo. It's not arrogance. It's owning your value without apology. Try this, you're adorable. But something tells me you'd absolutely roast me in public. So yeah, you give a compliment, then you kind of pull back. She leans in to prove you wrong. That's what you call push-pull. It keeps the tension alive, you know? Don't be always available. A little unpredictability makes you unforgettable. Touch is a language. Seriously, learn to speak it. If she laughs, gently tap her hand. If you're walking side by side, just lightly guide her with a touch on the elbow. Always read her body language. Respect her space, for sure. But when it's mutual, that light touch can create sparks stronger than 1,000 words. So let's recap. Flirting isn't performance, it's play. Confidence is chill, not cocky. Teasing builds attraction. Subtlety wins over desperation. And above all, have fun with it. The next time you talk to a girl, don't stress about saying the perfect line. Just be the guy who enjoys the moment, who plays the game. Because the truth is, flirting isn't a script, it's a vibe. And now, you've got it. If this helped you even a little, drop a comment with your worst flirt fail. Let's laugh at them together. And hey, subscribe if you want more real, raw, and game-changing stuff. Now go, charm someone.